Sikkim, nestled high in the Himalayas, is a small state with a vast soul. The mountains stand as ancient guardians, their peaks brushing the sky. Buddhism shapes daily life. Prayer flags and monasteries dot the landscape. Cultures intertwine, forming a rich tapestry of traditions. Sikkim is more than a place. It's a sanctuary for the soul. The road to Zuluk is more than a route. It's a pilgrimage along the old Silk Route, once traveled by merchants and mules. Each hairpin bend reveals a new vista, demanding your presence. Known as the Zigzag Road, it coils up the mountainside with over 32 sharp turns. The crisp air and soaring eagles awaken the mind. Here, the journey itself is the reward. Arriving in Zuluk feels like stepping into another era. This is no tourist town, just a cluster of simple homes clinging to the mountainside. Life at 10,000 feet is elemental, shaped by the seasons and the mountain's moods. Zuluk was once a Silk Route stop, a place to rest and acclimatize. That spirit of pause still defines the village. Homestays offer travelers a rare chance to live as guests, not tourists. You share meals, stories, and daily life with your hosts. The entertainment is the view. Shifting light, dancing clouds, profound silence. In this quiet, you hear your own thoughts and notice life's small details. Zuluk is a lesson in simplicity and undistracted time. The community is close-knit, built on mutual support and generosity. Visitors are welcomed as temporary members of the village. Here, community means living with others, not just near them. The bonds are strong, forged by shared hardship and celebration. Zuluk teaches the power of connection in a remote world. The silence is full, not empty, alive with the rhythms of village life. In Zuluk, you rediscover what it means to belong. It's a humbling, powerful lesson. Beyond Zuluk, the road climbs to Nathang Valley, a high-altitude plateau at over 13,000 feet. The landscape transforms. Trees vanish, replaced by vast meadows and rolling slopes. In summer, yaks graze on green carpets. In winter, the valley becomes a silent, frozen kingdom. Life here is shaped by altitude. Every breath and movement is deliberate. Nathang was once home to Tibetan yak herders, a heritage still alive in the valley's rhythms. The village is small, its homes sturdy against the cold, anchored by a modest monastery. Yak bells echo in the silence, a gentle soundtrack to the vastness. Winters are harsh, often cutting the valley off from the world. The people are resilient, self-sufficient, and deeply connected to the land. There's a quiet dignity in their acceptance of life's challenges. Visiting Nathang is humbling. It puts your own concerns in perspective. The scale of sky and mountain encourages introspection. Here, you simply sit, watch clouds drift, and feel the sun on your face. Nathang is more than scenic. It's sacred, a place where earth meets sky. The peace here is profound, inviting you to just be. It's a haven for the spirit. In Nathang, you find a moment of perfect stillness. The people of Zuluk and Nathang are the heart of these mountains. Nepali, Bhutia, and Tibetan communities blend their traditions into a unique local culture. Spirituality is everywhere. Buddhist prayer flags, animistic beliefs, and Hindu rituals coexist. These streams of faith flow together, not in competition but in harmony. Language is diverse, but hospitality is universal. Smiles, shared tea, and warm welcomes. Festivals like Losar, Dasain, and Tihar bring everyone together in joyful celebration. These aren't just events. They're vital threads in the social fabric. The unity and diversity here is palpable. Traditions are preserved and passed on through community gatherings. The people's resilience and warmth define life in these remote villages. Hospitality transcends words, connecting visitors and locals alike. The culture here is a living testament to harmony and shared identity. In these mountains, you witness the beauty of unity. The soul of Sikkim lives in its people. Life in Zuluk and Nathang follows the sun and seasons, not the clock. Days begin before dawn, with fires lit and prayers whispered into the crisp air. Chores are simple: tending livestock, fetching water, preparing hearty meals. In warmer months, small plots yield potatoes and cabbage. Foraging is common. Many families now run homestays, sharing their homes and traditions with visitors. Afternoons are for community, tea with neighbors, children's laughter echoing in the lanes. Help is freely given, whether mending a roof or caring for the unwell. Evenings bring families together around the stove, sharing stories and meals. The darkness outside is deep, the sky brilliant with stars. Life here is a cycle of work, rest, and togetherness. There's beauty in the simplicity and the strong sense of connection. Technology and schedules fade away, replaced by genuine human bonds. The rhythm is unhurried, the pattern timeless. In these villages, you rediscover the essentials of living. The quiet beauty of daily life is profound. Here, every day is a lesson in presence and gratitude. Zuluk and Nathang are fragments of a vanishing world, deeply connected to nature, community, and stillness. Tourism brings both opportunity and challenge, threatening the very qualities that make these villages special. The key is balance, sharing this beauty without destroying it. Preservation means protecting both the environment and the culture. Sustainable tourism, like homestays, ensures benefits reach locals and fosters real exchange. The future depends on the younger generation valuing their heritage and traditions. Education and opportunity matter, but so does the wisdom of elders. The knowledge of the land and the spirit of community are lessons the world needs. Visitors have a responsibility to tread lightly, respect deeply, and learn humbly. The greatest gift we can give is our respect and willingness to preserve this stillness. These villages remind us to slow down and reconnect with what matters. Preserving them is about keeping a space for quiet beauty, for all of us. In Zuluk and Nathang, the world holds still, and we remember how to listen. The journey ends, but the lessons linger.